Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you a super easy trick to make your Google Tasks appear in different colors, even though Google Tasks doesn't officially support color customization yet. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to organize your tasks visually and make them stand out. So here's the deal. As of 2025, Google Tasks still doesn't allow you to directly change the color of individual tasks or lists. But don't worry, there's a clever workaround using Google Calendar that works perfectly. First, head over to task.google.com if you want to see your regular tasks. Now, open a new tab and go to calendar.google.com. This is where the magic happens. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account so your tasks automatically sync with your calendar. Once you're in Google Calendar, look for your task list on the left-hand side. Click Tasks to view your existing ones or just create a new task. Now here's the trick. Instead of focusing only on tasks, you can create calendar events to represent tasks. After you add one, click on it and you'll see a color palette icon or options menu. Choose any color you want. Green for work, blue for study, red for urgent, whatever fits your system. You can even create multiple calendars with different colors if you prefer grouping tasks that way. Once you save it, your task or event will now appear in that color, helping you visually separate your priorities and categories at a glance. And that's it. A quick and simple way to color code your Google Tasks using Google Calendar. Try it out today. It's a total game changer for staying organized. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, make sure to check out more quick tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.